guys, it's me again. I'm seeing if I unmuted or not. So I'm seeing videos again. I'm continuing this part 1 into part 2. So I want to do small videos because I don't have storage space. So let's try. If you know, its time is 7:26 p.m. and I will always do the videos. I'll send it into 8 8:00 or at 15 or some days 25, but I don't do at 9 because I want to see crew videos out there. Crew videos are amazing. I subscribed also. I love to see crew videos. So I want to see now. Let's see crew videos. So can I unmute first? Mute for a second. Roblox car ride is funny. You wanna see that? Okay, let's see. I always wanna mute.
Everybody freeze!
Oh, I don't want to die! Green light, run! Oh no!
Cart ride into It's Funny, escape, pop it, fidget. And then look at all of these tags.
What?
You know this is gonna be a good game, right guys?
Yep. Of course it's going to be because there's crew in it.
Wait, is that us? It's
What do
the
you mean,
past
of
us.
course?
It is.
I can't even recognize
I don't
myself.
know who this is. I don't recognize this.
I think this is the wrong color of blue on my head, but whatever.
It is past crew and future crew. We meet
Oh
again.
my gosh, this is
The
trippy.
dimensions.
Well, it says right here, finish for a surprise. That means there's a surprise at the end, like every
They know
cart
us.
ride.
I like surprises.
Wait,
Where's
do they have
Luna's
all the
cart?
colors? Oh, Lunar, oh, I'm sorry, there's no
Almost.
purple cart.
How dare you label this as a crew cart ride without 5 carts?
Technically, it's
Injustice!
all right. Get in the yellow cart. You ready? Let's go. Whoa, why is it so
We're
fast?
ready!
Crew Slow down.
off.
Rainbow,
Slow
you're blocking the train!
Whoa, your hats. What the heck? What, you want me to go?
I want to see the surprise.
Okay,
of
let's go.
course.
Yeah, let's get to the end for the surprise.
Cart ride, not
Can we just
bumper
blast it
carts.
up? I just want to go really fast. I feel like
You might fall off
waiting
the
here.
track.
I won't. I'm pretty sure these
You won't? Then go faster.
these
Go
type of
faster.
rides,
I'm going
you can't
really
fall off.
fast.
unless you.
I'm going super
duper
fast.
Funny's going super slow.
Hey.
Whee!
Wait. Do you see this? It's gonna take forever.
I
No.
do another video because I always have so many storage space. So I'll see you at another part 3.